We're on.
Yep.
Welcome back, YouTube. Just me and my two boys. We've got some crazy stuff here. We're doing a mac and cheese challenge with hot dogs.
Mac and cheese.
It doesn't look like it.
And it's mac and
Mac and cheese soup.
Mac and cheese soup.
Thick
Don't trust the Instant Pot instructions for making macaroni and cheese. It just clumped together and then it turned into a slop. There are macaronis in there.
Macaronis.
And
It's not pure.
and
cheese.
yeah, and we've got three hot dogs each in there somewhere. They're all cut up. But, I mean, it looks delicious, honestly.
We got 2 boxes
It'll probably be really good, but we got 2 boxes each. I tried to divide it out as good as we could. There's even some clumps. Do you see the clumps of? Mm-hmm. There's like clumps as big of of the pasta. Okay, and so that should be fun. We're gonna race to see who can eat 2 boxes of mac and cheese. And what kind of mac and cheese do we have? I want to show in the box. It's the Kraft, I think.
Yeah.
That yummish stuff. It's hard to do it when there's no screen on this side. And we got this new Coca-Cola.
It's limited edition.
So you'll get some burps out of this guy, I'm sure.
Space.
And it says it's Starlight Limited Edition.
Oh, it smells
Space flavored.
Yeah.
See that?
Elon
smells
Musk
really
just sent
sweet.
it to space.
Let's give it a taste.
It is
Oh.
Coke cotton candy.
Yep. Cotton candy Coke.
It's
It's
pretty
good.
That's what it tastes like. It's pretty good. That is pretty good. All right. This is still hot.
All right, do we have a
Timer.
I'm only gonna
Right.
Okay, right there.
Ready?
I think it's on if you.
Is everyone gonna just gonna go?
Whoa.
And is the challenge gonna be finish this too?
Yep.
All right. Ready?
Why is it
Why are you
open?
laughing? Because he knows he's done for.
Ready? Set. Go. If that's working. Wow.
Can you stop it?
Oh, hot.
Good, you deserve that. Did you not start it? You did that last time.
We started a minute. How do you work this thing?
Hit both of them at the same time to clear it, and then start it. Would you stop it? I'm seriously gonna hurt you. You wanna know what cringy is? He was watching another video and he's like, "Oh, I'm pretty cringy." Yeah, when you have too much sugar in you, and now you're gonna have sugar and
I'm stuffing mac and cheese.
caffeine.
Come on.
Hi, Bubba.
Where did my sugar come from?
Can you stop? I won't be able to do a whole video of you making noise right now. You'll be harmed.
We're gonna get down.
Get down, Bubba. We love you.
It tastes like mac and cheese, just a little different.
Just
Yep.
chunky and very sticky.
Look at this junk. Oh. I thought it would be a cool, faster way of doing it.
Nope.
Nope. Just boil your water and throw them in. Way easier.
Oh, hot. Mm-hmm.
So chewy. Oh, wow!
Hmm?
Hot! I got in a big chunk. Ah. Hey, thanks to all our subscribers out there. You guys are awesome.
It's so sticky.
Oh. We recently posted one. It is so sticky. Ugh. What was our last one? We were in the truck. Tacos.
Tacos.
Tacos with some story time. It was fun. Talking about these idiots. these guys.
It wasn't a challenge, so.
Idiotic things they've done. It was a challenge.
No.
It was pretty tough. Who won? Oh, we can't tell.
I think
We weren't
they
really
already know.
racing, but then we kind of were at the end.
I wasn't.
He's always racing. Oh! It's so thick! I was at. Whoa, foamy.
No, huge chunk.
I was actually looking forward to this, but I ruined it. I like the hot dog. A little stuck.
Yeah, just a little bit.
I thought I picked up a hot dog, then I started chewing on a ton of mixed noodles.
Sorry. I normally make really good mac and cheese. I like to add, you don't even know. I like to add cheddar and everything to it. Enhance it a bit. I'm not gonna do it this time. And I couldn't even add the milk. It was so creamy already. So it's not, I had some milk in there. Oh.
Wow.
Greg and I are going to do the spicy gum soon.
You keep saying that.
That was really cute. I can't wait to see that on the. Oh! No! There it is. Ruger can have it, and he will happily.
This is so gross to my stomach.
Ooh, I think he's trying to beat us for once.
I think he is.
Oh my gosh, he good on this one. Karma.
I don't like that. Don't like this at all. It's a
Makes
bad
it,
oh.
makes it a tougher challenge. There's a lot of butter. All the butter's in there. The hot dogs don't help your stomach.
Oh, so gross.
This is good though.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yep.
Oh, it's so gross.
Oh, cotton candy, Coca-Cola. Oh. Very interesting.
It makes me want to
Combo.
puke. Mm.
I just got a ball of goo.
I don't even know this is worth trying to win. It's like, mm.
Oh, it's worth it. Can't beat me. Come on, shovel.
I'm trying. The
The only
flavors
thing
are
you really-
disgusting.
The only thing you really have to chew is a hot dog. And not really even that, because it's cut up.
It's thick soup.
Mm. Very thick soup.
Mm-hmm. It's soaked up every bit of the water. Ugh.
I'd rather do a pop challenge.
Mm-hmm. We've got the Dr. Pepper challenge coming.
Maybe probably tomorrow or
We
tonight.
won't post it today, but
We're probably gonna do it today.
I don't even know if we can do it today, though.
Oh, why?
If this stuff doesn't get out of my stomach. This is so heavy. How real good. Stop it. I missed. Wow. Why is it so hot? I'm hot. Look at this.
Mm.
Mm.
I'm over here like trying to swish my pop around my mouth, trying to get that flavor out.
Flavor. That's not too bad
You
flavor.
know, like I've eaten so much of it, it's disgusting already.
Mm.
Oh, I'm never making it that way again. I mean, technically, we should have just threw it away. We should have thrown it away, started new. We have enough. We could have done more. But it makes it a challenge. Mac and cheese soup.
Ramen challenge. Like 4 packets of ramen.
Gosh.
I saw this guy that had to do a ton of ramen, but it was like the super spicy ramen too.
Oh god.
So it was like an eating challenge and a spicy challenge at the same time.
Oh man, that one dude. What's his name? Oh. I saw him try doing spaghetti. He did a spaghetti challenge. Can you get off of me? I'm so hot already. Back away, dude. Oh, hold on. He did spaghetti, and for the sauce, he dumped a whole bottle of Da Bomb. Yeah. So he starts by trying to eat the outsides that doesn't have the Da Bomb on it. Da Bomb on it. But he gets some a little bit in there, and he starts burning. And then he's like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna... And then he starts going to the middle and just starts putting it in. And then he just freaks out and couldn't finish it. He was done. This is a guy that normally finishes everything.
I think I know who you're talking about. But that's crazy.
The bomb is so bad. It's so hot. Go watch our wing challenge. You can just skip to the last 2 sauces if you want. But a lot of the easy ones in the beginning, we did like 15 sauces, didn't we? Okay, so the wasabi was good to watch. The pain, 100% pain sauce was
It just
good.
feels like melted plastic.
This?
Mm-hmm.
You're winning, I think.
I just poured some of my Coke in here. No, I'm not winning.
In there?
Mm-hmm.
On accident?
I'm
Gross. Don't do it. Don't.
gonna eat it. No, I'm gonna eat it.
No!
I'm gonna eat it.
Don't do it!
Why?
I'm gonna eat that bite.
Oh my! It's so weird. I'm sweating.
Mm-hmm.
And then the Da Bomb is the last one. We were already dying on 100% pain sauce.
Mm-hmm.
That took a while. And then we went to from that to the bomb. And then it was a whole other level of pain. That one hurt. Like we were like panicking.
Mm-hmm.
Shoving ice in our mouths. Milk wouldn't work anymore.
Yeah.
It was bad.
We stopped using milk, and we had to put ice on our tongue to numb it.
This is more of a burp contest. Want to do a burp contest in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
Right now. Yeah. Oh, bud. How you doing?
Burp contest, alright.
Oh, I'm full now.
I have too much. Why did I just get slapped on the back?
Ow.
I bet I got your ribs 100%. They were exposed. Okay. Dude, you slapped me hard. Why? I don't know. I'm a punk. Oh, I don't feel good. I don't feel good, Craig. Oh, we're all hitting each other, so I figured I'd add you to the... That was it.
That's all.
That's all you get, dude. Dudes. Dudettes.
Oh. Ow.
That was reflex, dude. You hit me hard. Knuckles went into your ribs.
And my hand.
And the hand. Your hand was there? Oh, that's what I felt?
It was actually like I hit you and then I instantly moved my hand right perfectly in the way of your head.
I did not feel that. I thought it was totally ribs.
Nope.
You're lucky. Although the hand probably didn't feel good. All right, let's see the burps. No, you gotta have a better one than that. Drink a little bit and do a burp. Okay, getting ready.
That wasn't it.
That's
that
it.
Was,
That's
no, that was the one that came up naturally.
Burns. Oh, that's his.
No. Ow, Rooker! What the heck? He grabbed me. He was really telling me he wanted a bite. And he went. I'm sweating. Oh, my face is sweating, Rooker. He's probably concerned. He's like, dude, what's wrong with you? Dad, what's wrong? Are you okay? Oh, he's swishing, getting some bubbles.
No, I'm trying to get the stuff out of my braces.
Oh. Yeah, I can't even get it out of my teeth. I can't even imagine. Can you check if we're recording? Would that suck? We're good.
Alright. That wasn't very good.
To say the least. Oh, here we go. Are you going to get it this time? Nope. That's. Oh.
We would have all said, Dad wins if you just throwing it up right there.
It's like he hits the camera. Oh, splash. Right into your faces. You know those videos where all of a sudden the ball comes at you and you're like, oh!
Yeah.
You got projectile vomit coming at you.
Oh, gross. Gross.
Oh, that was a crappy burp, Ruger. He's just staring at me. I don't know if it's the sugar or the caffeine or the nasty amount of mac and soup. He can always get one out, no matter what he eats. So my food doesn't go down.
You're doing what I'm doing.
I know.
I know how to make it really long. You force in a burp, and then you swallow the burp.
That was a little better.
No, you swallow the burp that you
You
got
know
in
what?
into your stomach, so
Yeah.
then you get another burp, and then you burp, and then you keep your mouth open while trying to open your throat, so then the burp that you swallowed earlier comes out long.
Wow,
Oh, okay.
That was a lot.
All right.
Yeah, write that up. I feel like we need a bucket.
I do feel the same.
Oh. I mean, I almost did. I almost put it in this bucket.
I can't open my throat for some reason.
There's a wiener stuck in your throat. Hot dog wiener. I said that. Hot dog wiener. That's horrible.
There's got to be that restrictions of age.
I know.
You just like
Not for
18
children.
and older.
Not for children. I want to burp so bad. It's stuck in there. See my eyes bulge. Oh, you spit! He's concerned with you now.
Sit down, Booger.
That was vomit too. You look at him. He's going. He's doing a sneak attack. Go.
I'm gonna puke if I keep going.
It's him every time. Every. What do you think? They want to see your poop. Did you see that comment? When are you guys gonna use the puke buckets? So look, there's at least 4 videos with puke content, right?
Mm-hmm. Banana Sprite, gallon milk.
The first video-
soda.
I bet. We've had the noodles challenge. I drank too much milk
Oh.
and puked after the video.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you did. My body's telling me to stop.
Oh, it's good. This is gonna make me puke.
I got it.
I almost gagged trying to swallow.
I have like 2 times now.
You know, your eyes go like, ugh.
Okay. Put it all into one corner. See how much you got.
What did I get?
A stupid amount.
I'm beating you. You're beating me. No. I've seen what's gone into yours. Pop and spit.
And it's not.
Rachel's arm.
No, it's not.
Oh, I got a clump. I got a clump of noodles. Oh, that one of them went up my nose. Exit. Entrance.
I did the eye thing again.
This is the entrance.
You know when your eyes go like, they're like,
Do that to them.
when you're about to gag, you're like, oh.
He didn't do cross-eyed.
We tried yourself with the noodles. We tried.
Oh, God. Huge. I tried cutting those ones out.
think this was it.
And I think I got them.
I think I got one.
There's a copy.
If you look up the word annoying in the dictionary, you see his face. It's just his face. Uh-oh. Guess where this is going to come out in about 30 seconds.
30 seconds!
Dad, get away.
Clench down. Button it up.
Watch out.
No, we're going to be waiting.
Oh my god, no. Oh my gosh.
Why?
That's so gross. Museum.
Ew. That was a bad one. We just started the Marvel Cinematic Universe in order.
That's a long way to put
Yeah.
it. The Marvel movies. We're going to watch them in chronological order. So it starts with Captain America, First Avenger.
Then Agent John.
Mm-mm.
No, Agent Carter. Why do I keep saying John?
John Carter's a movie.
I mean Agent John.
John is not part of it.
Agent Carter. Agent Carter.
Agent Carter, which I haven't even seen that one yet.
Same.
Yeah, did you? No.
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Is it a TV show or is it a movie?
it's a series. No, I don't know. Is it a movie? I guess we'll find out. That's what we're on next. Duh! What?
This video has been a lot of punching each other.
I know. You're provoking me, dude.
That's the fun part.
No! This is so gross. Did you almost lose that?
I almost spit it out.
Okay.
I call truce.
I think the butter is going to be coming right out of me. There's so much butter. 3 sticks of butter in this. We each get a stick of butter.
Gosh.
Wait. Yeah! We each get a stick of butter because it's 2 boxes. Half a stick each box. He wanted to call a truce. You want to call a truce, Craig? No, because he's winning. But he's... Why are you rubbing my back so much?
Because you're gonna
Did
be
you
in a lot of
put
pain.
food on it?
No.
I'm going to be a lot of pain?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you smack me. No, we're not doing that. No more
I
harm.
wasn't going to. I was joking.
No physical violence. We don't do that in our house. You do.
Parental
He
abuse.
tries to.
Parental abuse.
We should do an arm wrestling challenge. I know I've got you.
Yeah, like, bruh.
I don't know if I have him still.
I think you do. I'm pretty weak on arm wrestles. Like,
What? Pretty. You just leave it at you're pretty weak. No, he's pretty tough.
I lose to
Tough.
Isaac.
Oh, you are wrestling?
And you're stronger.
You're about to puke.
And you're stronger.
You
than him.
poked right into my food. Well, we know I'm stronger. We work out together. Haha. Yeah, I still haven't beaten a lot of them. Don't.
Woo! He almost made it happen.
Especially the bench. Just fucking bench.
No, this big one goes to you.
Mm-mm.
I think I got more than you.
Mm.
I think I got more than all y'all.
This is 3 hot dogs each, too.
That's not funny.
It's scary.
Sounds like a ghost entered my body.
I think an evil spirit came out of you. You gave up. You're not even eating. We're still eating over here. He's just drinking away. Why do we bring you on these
Because I am the entertainment.
adventures?
I am the entertainment.
That is entertaining. Oh, look at him go.
Ow. You can win, Dad. You can win. Swallow it whole. I dare you. Get a full spoonful.
You can't, you'll gag.
I kind of want to try now.
Oh, what's that black thing? I don't want that in there. What is that? Oh, that's gross.
Take it out.
No! No! No!
It's just going right there. It's just going right there.
It's a burnt macaroni.
Is that what it is?
Yes. What?
I gagged. He's gonna win.
For Tyler.
I should give up. For Tyler. Oh. Okay, I have a little poll. I want to take a poll here. In the comments, should I start another YouTube channel just for my unicycle, our electric unicycle videos?
Well, it don't really matter.
Or should I keep them on this channel and just mix them in with our stuff? Oh. Let me know what you think. What do you think would do better?
Probably mix it in just to get the extra views.
But that's
I don't care about that though. I mean, I care, but I want our viewers to know that what we're doing. I don't want to mix it up too much where they're like, oh, they're doing the unicycle. I don't want to do that. But they can choose not to watch it. True. But do you think the unicycle on its own, if I made enough cool videos, would do better on its own than mixed in here?
It's the electric unicycle, not just
It's electric unicycle. If you haven't seen what they are, check out our video. I did a couple.
I feel like a ton of people would watch just to see you try to ride a unicycle.
I got a selfie stick that I can use to ride and so I can see how it works. And people said that this mode was way more HD, way better quality. I don't want to say it.
Poo.
Me too.
I'm clenching. I'm prairie dogging.
I'm just gonna like squish your stomach.
No, don't. This is so tough. Look at guys, that's all I have left, and it's that.
I mean, I can prevent Craig from winning.
Mentally hard. No, don't. Don't. Give me your ball. I'm gonna probably have to give this one to you. Why do you make so much noise drinking your stupid pop?
It ain't stupid. I spit all over myself.
Stupid pop.
Stupid pop.
Oh, gross. Dude, you hit me in the mouth.
The worst thing ever would to hit him in the stomach right now. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Not me, and you almost hit me in the junk instead. You got smacked.
I know.
What's up, bud? Don't eat his face off. Oh my god!
Bob.
Did you know that? Did you see that? I was watching this video. There was this good lady with a chimpanzee as a pet, and it was like her son. Anyway, she had a friend over. He was getting older, but she had a friend over, and all of a sudden they were outside, and all of a sudden the chimpanzee decided to attack the friend, and took off her face. Like, ripped her face, was chewing on her face. Ripped it off, ripped chunks. She called the cops, and she's like trying to get everybody over there. They finally show up. They saved the lady, but her face, I mean, reconstructive surgery, all kinds of stuff to try to fix her, but she's never the same.
Where did this
Kill
come
that monkey.
Why did I talk about monkeys?
Oh no.
from? Matthew's right here.
They just spit in my face.
Yeah.
And I told the dog to rip your face off. That's why.
Did they kill the
I
monkey?
just threw up in my mouth. I burped,
Did
and
they
that was
kill-
cotton candy cola.
Did they kill the monkey?
Yes. So first thing, the owner, she went up to it and stabbed the chimp in the back to try to stop him, and he turns around and looks at her like, "Why would you do that to me?" And then goes back to the lady and just keeps on tearing her face off.
There has to be some like
Like, he went mentally, yeah, something
something
clicked.
happened.
Yeah, it's sad.
It is horrible.
So then the cops get there. Cop comes over. Boom, 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 boom. Shoots the thing 6 times. Kills it. Dude. He has one more big bite left.
I can prevent him from winning right now. No, he has to lick up all of the gunk.
Hey, a kind of clean burp came out. It wasn't throw.
It's so disgusting.
Where are we on this? This is pathetic. 30 minutes. Almost 30 minutes, guys. Congratulations. He's disgusting, is he not?
Keep the chains, filthy animal.
Stuff is stuck all over the place. No. What's the next one? No, you have to drink that.
Your mom.
We're not
Jello.
not doing that.
Jello.
Jello. We're gonna do a Jello challenge. We found
Do not.
yeah, right. We found
Starburst.
Burst.
You couldn't remember the name?
My brain is gone right now, dude. What is that on my finger? Oh, it's that's the pasta. Oh man, I got butter on my pants. Oh,
He
you
still has to
stop?
finish his pop.
Oh, Starburst. I know he does. Starburst.
Jello.
Jello. I can't do this. We got Starburst Jello, the pink kind, and the red kind. Pink kind is actually strawberry. The red kind is cherry. So we're gonna probably mix those.
Why? That's just gonna taste weird.
I guess we could make one of each and then just do it that way so we can enjoy it. I like the pink Starburst best. What's your favorite?
Red or orange?
Really?
Actually,
I like red.
I think yellow
Between
comes
those
in
two?
top.
Dude! Everybody gives us away. But this is the different kid. He's the one that always likes stuff we don't like. Pretty much. For the most part.
No, he doesn't like stuff that we like.
Well, whatever. Vice versa.
Red.
Really? Cherry. Huh. Pink for me. What's your favorite? I think pink wins. I mean, I think if there were, we're gonna look that up. We're gonna look that
I've
up.
always liked the
Do you have your phone?
cherry flavor.
Do you have your phone? Look up. What is the most liked Starburst? My money is on pink for sure.
Mine's on
I
orange.
don't care. He won.
Mine's
Hey,
on
congratulations, Craigie!
Yes. What's that?
He won. He ate 2 boxes of. Why? Look, I have like 6 bites there.
Pink. It's pink.
I'm kind of happy that I'm not gonna
Oh, yeah.
actually finish it. I don't care.
It's
I don't
pink.
care. It was a race. Why? It's pink, like I said. Don't. That will fly out
I
of
was
there.
touching you.
Because it's the most liked. They made
Spit
an all pink.
again.
They made an all pink.
Worse with braces. He spits more.
Because it's the most liked. They made an all pink bag. Because
Oh, yeah,
it's the
yeah.
most liked.
Yep. Makes sense. I think we're done with this one, guys. Matthew, you're gonna have to eat whatever you put in there. You have to shoot it in your mouth. Like that.
Oh.
It worked! And then he... Oh. Alright.
My stummy's so tight.
Your stomach?
Yeah.
Oh! Don't even...
A little bit.
Oh. Gross.
I don't know.
Alright, stay tuned, guys, for our next one. We're gonna do Jello. We're gonna do hot gum. Hot
Make
gum.
sure to like and subscribe.
We have the 2-liter bottles of Dr.
My
Pepper
legs.
ready to go. We're gonna be doing that soon too.
Oh.
We love y'all. Turn that thing off.